Hello! To create Samsung avatar on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all you have to go into the settings. From here scroll down and go into the advanced features and scroll down again, and right here we have the Galaxy avatar. As we go in here, you can create a new avatar right here with this plus icon, and we can start with some different avatars that are available here, and we can also create the avatar with camera or with the image. And let me just quickly show you what settings we have right here. Probably we actually have you can set up the hairstyles, the beard, the blushes and face paint. We can change the colors of different things. As you can see, we can change the separate color for the eyelashes, for eyebrows, for hair, facial hair, and the hair on the head. Yeah, basically you can customize pretty much everything right here. Right here you have also the artificial hands and legs, as you can see. And we can also set up the style for our character. We can make our own clothes. We have some presets right here, some different styles, as you can see, and we can set up ourselves all the stuff right here, the shoes, the cups, the shapes, and all different stuff, like as you can see. Yeah, so that's basically how to make the avatar. I recommend to trying on your own. As you can see, there's a lot of different things to do, so I recommend doing it by yourself. And after you are done, basically, you simply press save to save your avatar. And yeah, that's how to do it. Thank you for watching.